Hello everyone. Today we're going to do another instructional video for you. We're going to calibrate our turbidity sensor on this Manta+30 multi-probe. To begin, we will connect our USB to the USB port on our computer. Connect the serial 9-pin end to our cable. And then finally connect the cable to our instrument and start the program. Once your sonde has initialized and you see data scrolling on your screen, click on the Manta 2 menu button, go to Calibrate, and select the Turbidity NTU or FNU selection. So now we are going to do our rinsing process. To do that, we want to remove the lid, do 2 rinses with DI water, 2 rinses with the calibration solution, and then fill the cup at least 1 inch over the top of your turbidity sensor. So I'm going to remove the lid. This is my DI water. The rinse here. You can use the lid to keep it from sloshing around. All right, one more with DI. Throw that out. Now we have our Turbidity 600 NTU solution. Little rinse there. And one more. Now we're going to fill it up 1 inch past the turbidity sensor there. Just like that. And wait for the reading to stabilize. You will see the value changing on the screen with a graph of the data being read by the sensor. Once the reading is stable, click OK. You will then be prompted to calibrate your second point. To do your second calibration point, you will click Continue on the screen and then do your rinsing process, first 2 times with your DI water, then 2 times with your solution. If you're doing 0 NTU solution, if you're just using DI water, that's fine as well. And then we'll fill up the cup 1 inch above the top of the turbidity sensor. So, first rinse, little shake, pour that out. Second rinse. Now fill it up. When calibrating your 0, it is acceptable to calibrate in air if you clean the optic lens with a sterile wipe, or you can use 0 NTU solution, which Eureka offers. On the next screen, you will find the sensor response factor. The SRF is Eureka's unique way to show you how close your calibration is to that of a typical sensor. An SRF between 80 and 120 is acceptable. If your SRF is significantly outside that range, it likely means your sensor needs cleaning. Note that your calibration has been stored in the Manta's permanent calibration log, which you can see by clicking the Manta 2 pull down, choosing Cal log, and all of the information from any previous sensor calibrations are stored there.